Okay, I certainly say use L'Hopital's rule, and certainly I go through the work and I use L'Hopital's rule, but I do want to point out, I want to look at the other guy that we just did, that I said the general idea was the limit as x goes towards infinity of 1 plus, let's see, a over x. I got to remember the letters I used, and that was b to the x was equal e to the ab. All right, let's take a look at one at a time and see if I can do that. So I'm going to look at this guy over here, and it's going to be limit. I want to see if I can write the a and b on it, infinity. And what do you get there? Let's, sort of be somewhat careful about it. 1 plus minus 1 over x. And then I'm going to say 1 times x. What's it going to equal to? Well, the a is minus 1, the b is 1, so it's going to be e to the minus 1, which is going to be 1 over e. All right, the other one's a little more complicated, but I will write it down, and it's going to be limit as x goes to infinity, and you're going to get 1 minus, I can't write that down, so it's plus minus 1 over x, and then I get x times x. That's x squared, by the way. All right, and what I'm going to do over here is, rewrite it a tiny bit differently. I want to see what I'm seeing over here. And what do you get there? You get, let's see, the limit as x goes to infinity, 1 plus minus 1 over x. And I'm going to, raise it to the x now. I'm going to the inside. Kind of strange looking, isn't it? So we just did that, and what's this guy going to be? On the inside, it's actually just 1 over e. We just did it. And 1 over e raised to the infinite power is going to be 0. All right? Again, I did L'Hopital's rule on it. You may want to take a look at that. Again, your mileage may vary. You may say one way is easier than the other. Certainly there's other ways to do limits, by the way, but the bottom line, it can't hurt to have options, and we're trying to give them to you. Thank you.